name's Sambal.
I'm Brooklyn Ball. This is Ronan Ball.
And together we are Australia by the Balls. Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode.
And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! This one is going to be a pretty special one. We have the original Australia by the Balls travelling with us.
Sam's parents have come along for a 7-day adventure with us down in Yamba, and I'm stoked. I am so happy to be here.
Oh, it is just awesome. We're coming to the end of our adventure now, but let's rewind, take you back to the start, and let's get this show on the road. Just got a quick fuel stop and we're punching it through the Chrissy traffic 3 hours south to get to our next stop. So yesterday afternoon we just rolled into camp, set up, cracked a beer and just relaxed by the fire. So today's day one of our big adventure with the folks, and we are heading into Yamba. I've never been to Yamba, so it's going to be good to go in and have a bit of a look around. Water is good for the soul. That was Roni's second time at the beach and he absolutely loved it. We've just made our way up the headland now because my father has assured me that up here there is a little local secret, one of the top 3 best pubs in Australia. Let's go check it out.
Sitting atop Yamba's highest hill is the Yamba Lighthouse, and it is actually one of the town's main attractions and must-see for any visitor. The original lighthouse was built in the 1880s and later replaced by the current lighthouse you see now in 1955. The Pacific Hotel was also built in 1934, which actually obscured the original lighthouse. After the new lighthouse had been completed in 1955, the old one was demolished the following year. Only a 25-minute drive from our hip camp along the Palmer's Channel, we headed to Brooms Head to check out their lookout. Now you have to go through the caravan park, which this time of year was absolutely packed, but that view at the top, man, was it worth it. You could see everything up there. It's not whale season, but we did see some dolphins and some turtles, so it was absolutely wicked. And you can do a little walking track which takes you down to that beach.
Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave us soon as you came across who I am
River down on the beach here. It is probably our favourite spot that we've visited in the Yamba area. It is absolutely beautiful. We love driving on the beach. It makes it so much easier than having to cart all of Rainey's stuff down. Anyway, just a heads up, this beach is in a national park, so make sure you grab a permit before you come down here. We just grabbed ours online. We got a 12-month pass to New South Wales. Cost us $65, and that should cover us while we're traveling through New South Wales. Anyway, this spot is absolutely magic, and if it's not on your list of things to do when you're in this area, make sure you put it on, because I got no words.
Welcome back to our beautiful hip camp.
We are on a little channel off the Clarence River. It's a hip camp called On the Channel. We're only about 20 minutes from Yamba, and it is absolutely stunning.
It's $40 per night to stay here.
And we are absolutely loving it. There's only 5 sites. You're not crammed in. You're on this beautiful property. The grass is green. The river's just there.
Plenty of room for Ronan to crawl around. We are definitely going to be coming back here.
It is a magic little spot. And if you're in the area, I highly recommend coming here.
We'll show you what it looks like.
So we've spent 7 nights here in total. You have to be fully self-contained to stay here. Our solar has been awesome. It's been the best it's been. We've been able to do the full 7 nights without hooking up to the car, and well, there's not much else to tell you.
Yeah, it's a great base camp.
I definitely rate it.
So tonight's going to be our last night, but tomorrow morning we're getting up to do something pretty special.
Yeah, can't wait to show you.
Good morning from Angourie.
It is a beautiful morning here. The rain has disappeared and we've gotten up early to come check out this blue pool behind us.
The surf is pumping on the other side. I wish I bought my surfboard. I reckon it's about 6 foot out there.
It is. It's really big. It's that big that we can't really swim in the little rock pools they've got out here. The waves are just tumbling over the top of them.
Yeah, so you got the blue pool and you've also got the green pool. So the pool behind us, it was actually originally a quarry, and when they were digging down they disturbed a freshwater stream, and it was to everyone's benefit because this little amazing pool, this freshwater pool,
It's like a little haven, a blue water haven.
it bubbled up, and now it's just a little local spot that everyone comes down to.
You can actually, there's some boys behind us jumping off this big cliff. It is just amazing. And I just can't wait to see the other perspective of the drone. So we're going to chuck that in now.
Everything's alright with the violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high with the violet sky on my skin. Let me breathe deep, let me get away. There's no place else I'd rather be. Ooh, everything's alright with the violet sky. A violet sky must be violet sky the way. Ooh, violet sky the way. Ooh, violet sky the way. Baby, 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 violet sky the way. Violet sky the way.
Anyway, I think we're going to wrap up this episode here, so thanks everyone for watching,
Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
and we'll see you at the next one.
You.
Ooh, everything.